Alright guys, yo, what's up? Lance Edger here, you know what's good, man. So here we are at the 31 out. We're at Winton right now for a skid day. So last time we've seen her, we put the mini spool in, of course. Now we've got 5-stroke conversion. So if you come over here, we've got G-Tech front 4 to 5-stroke conversion. So we're now running Enkei, so 2 3.5s on the front. Still running stock tyres in the rear, you know, about 40 to 50 psi should be fine for today. And because we've gone from 4 to 5-star in the front, it's also given us another set of burners, so that's really beneficial. You also come over here, we've recently just stripped out the whole interior. I don't know if I've showed this recently, but practically just the dash now. Everything else is pretty much just the seats, and pretty much everything else is gutted. So definitely took a lot of weight out of her.
Alright guys, so that about wraps it up. So that's our drift day out in Winton. So there was a skid day hosted by Vivid, which was awesome, you know, really chilled, you know, heaps of different levels, all the way from like amateur like myself, all the way up to like pro guys pretty much riding the wall. Then the next part of the video, about the last minute to 2 minutes, is down at Calder. So that was a practice day. No, sorry, like teacher ed kind of day, where they got instructors to look over your driving and stuff. Highly recommend those if you're like really just getting started off and doing all that kind of stuff, because they can really like point you in the right direction, tell you where you're going wrong, get in your car, and just makes you more confident for when they actually host like proper practice days. And then you can just go out on the track and you know how everything works already, because it's a lot more of a chilled environment doing those like instructional days than actually just a straight up practice day, because you know you don't really have anyone holding your hand or telling you you're doing this wrong or that wrong. You kind of just, you know, go head first. So but yeah, awesome events, both of them. The next one's going to be this Sunday leading up, so it's going to be, I think, the second competition day of Vic Drift. I'm just going to be doing the practice day, you know, getting out there. I haven't actually drifted round normal Calder, so it's going to be really interesting to see how the car goes. We also, like in the video, I showed you guys that we had G-Tech spacers on the front, which has not only allowed us to have a much wider selection of tires up the front, being 5 stud, but it's also allowed us to get a bit of extra gap to get a bit of a wider tire. So definitely when we were driving at the Winton event, it definitely helped massively with allowing the front end to really grip up. I could really like let the accelerator off to let it really like scrub off speed and still be able to like point the vehicle in the direction that I wanted to go. The exact same thing down in Calder when we were doing donuts and stuff. It made it a breeze. You were able to pretty much just control the car with your right foot. So but that's going to be it for this one, guys. Next events that are coming up that got videos of, we went drag racing in the 33 using the new clutch, which was kind of fun. So that's going to be coming out in the next couple of days. We've also got an install for the rear as well for the G-Tech 4 to 5 stud conversion. So that's going to be pretty cool to try and install that. Already done the front, so I should be able to go into a bit more detail into how I do it. I'm not saying it's the best way in the world, but you know, give you a bit of insight to if you're thinking about doing it, because I know like cutting studs and stuff like that can be a bit daunting to some people. So definitely something to stick forward to for that one. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much going to be it for this one. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and take it easy, guys.